It's kind of cute. Green. It's from eh, dusty thing. It's it's from France Berino Be Verico. I'm gonna type in later the title, but this one is like I got this at the auction many years ago, and I just put them in the I wrap them with each of them I wrap in a sandwich bag, and so kind of cute. I only have two of this, and I have three little plate. Cute. Need to be. I wash it before, but I get dirty from. I have like boxes in here for. I'm putting them in the boxes after I'm done videoing, so I did not wash it again because I need to put in the box so I can sell them. So that's why I taking picture and video, and so that I have photo for my personal items and stuff. Kinda cute. Sorry about the dust. It's like a little handle. It's kinda pretty. I did not. I look at in the AB. I never see one like this. I did not see one like this. And then they have a different plate also. This, and then I did not see one like this. I don't know. Probably I wonder if there's a handle there. Maybe not. Not sure if there's a handle. But I just got that like that. So okay, see, this kind of cute color. You can put here. I don't know. I don't think you can put a hot stuff in it. I'm not sure. Probably you can put it. This is from France, so they're good quality. It's the bottom. There's a name, but I don't know. They put the name. I think you need to read it from here. But so I will type in the name. Okay, see you later.